Welcome back to Displacement Garage. Today we're installing taillights from American Modified on our 2006 Chevy Silverado. While I pull the truck around, go ahead and get ready to grab a screenshot of the tools you are going to need for this project. Today we've partnered with American Modified to bring you guys a 2006 Chevy Silverado taillight install. Let's drop the tailgate and do the unboxing. Be sure to double check the instructions that it comes with because the outlets and plugs need to go in a specific order and a specific position to make sure that you don't blow any fuses. I'm going to leave these here for just a second so you can grab a screenshot. Everything from American Modified is going to be in individual bags of bubble wrap or individual hardware bags. This is really nice for keeping everything separate as you're going through the install process. This is a close-up of the brackets and the hardware needed for each side. Grab your Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to remove 2 screws, top and bottom here. This will remove the entire taillight assembly. Once you get the taillight removed, go ahead and remove each of the wiring harnesses per light. To make sure you get the best fitment on the new taillights, go ahead and wipe down with your favorite detailing spray or alcohol the surrounding areas. You're going to go ahead and grab your bracket, your resistor, your nuts and bolts, and go ahead and assemble these little pieces here. This is going to be a 5.5 millimeter socket and a Phillips head screwdriver. You'll do this for the additional resistor bracket as well. Remove your existing taillight bulbs. Plug your new taillight harness into the existing wiring harness on your truck. Double check your instruction manual for details on how the wires should be assembled. Clip your resistor brackets to the inside of your truck. Carefully tucking all the wires, go ahead and start putting together your truck taillight to the actual truck. Once the wires are out of the way, go ahead and push it on. There are some retaining clips on the left side there that are going to help hold that in. Then grab your factory screws and go ahead and reinstall those as well. Get get ready for the reveal. It looks so good. Now it's a cat eye in the front and the back. Repeat the same steps on the passenger side and the reveal. Close your tailgate and enjoy the new taillights. Taillights and more available at AmericanModified.com. We will leave the link to these below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next week.